All right, last problem of the day. Suppose that f of x is a continuous function defined for all real numbers x, and f of -1 equals 6, f of 3 equals -2. If f of x equals 0 for one and only one value of x, then which of the following could be x? Mumbo jumbo. Who knows what the hell they just said? Well, let's draw a little graph of what's going on. Let's draw a graph that involves a x of -1 and a x of 3. And at -1, I'm supposed to be using 6. So that means I would have a point there. And at 3, I would be using -2. So that means I would have a point right there. Now, they're telling me that f is continuous. That means that I cannot pick up my pen once I decide that I'm going to draw some sort of way of getting from point A to point B. So maybe it's going to be one of these guys that I've drawn. I don't know. It could be really anything that is going to be continuous. So it even could just be a straight line. That would work as well. Now, they're saying that f of x equals 0 for one and only one value of x, so which of the following could be x? And you might have already figured it out, that it has to be some x value that's between -1 and 3. So I don't know which one of these it's going to be. Let's say it was just the straight line. Well, then it would have to be some sort of x value between -1 and 3. So what do we see? 2? Yeah. And that actually looks like it could be that if it was a straight line. Not really, but whatever. It would have to be, I don't know, 2 would be like over here or something. And then maybe your graph would look something like this. It doesn't really matter too much, but it's got to be something between -1 and 3 because that's the only place where you get a y of 0. And you would have a y of 0 when you're on the x-axis. So very common problem type. Just pick one that's between those two x values. All right, take care.